Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to change plan in Hulu. So in order to change plan in Hulu, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, log in into your account, and from the home page, click the profile icon and go to accounts. As you click on account, you'll be able to see this page where you can go ahead and select manage plans from the bottom right hand side corner. And as you do that, you'll be able to see this option as Hulu ad. Go ahead and toggle the button. When you do that, you'll be able to see this page where you can go ahead and select the information, where you can go ahead and read the following information and click on continue to switch. When you click on continue to switch, now go ahead and select the subscription that you wish to go ahead with. So for that, please click the plus icon right in the corner and then go ahead and enter in your billing date, your card details and all that, and click on submit. And as you do that, restart your Hulu application and you've successfully changed your plan on Hulu. So that's how you can change plan on Hulu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.